It started.
No, show. Okay. Go. You ready, man? Yeah. That was a bug. Okay. Alright, I'm ready.
Sit down.
No. No.
Just do it.
Hold me. Hold me.
I'll get you back up.
There you are.
Yes, I will. Just shut up.
Oh God, I get a nice view here.
It's a full moon.
Shut up.
Kevin showed you his full moon.
Maybe it's those cookies you ate. I told you cheese would wear you out.
Hang on. I almost have you. Wait, man, ready? 1, 2, 3, do that again. No, I mean kick your feet up. No, I mean off the ground. Okay, let me sit down. Sit down. There.
I can see this is how morons play teeter totter.
Yes, it is.
Why aren't you sitting on the seat?
This is a moron.
Oh, I forgot.
Whee.
Doesn't look like you're getting up. Unless you climb out the bottom.
2, 3.
That'd be funny if the seat hit her head. Nice crack. Oh, she's going to kill me!
Hey, Mitchell.
Crap.
Okay, I'm stuck, you guys.
Yeah?
Go. Go fetch.
I'm not a dog. Why don't you go get it?